from her to him. He made me laugh just to comfort me. And made me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I fell asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me, no. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love dance with my father again. How I love dance with my father again. For I know I'm praying for much too much. What could you send back?